4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? May na-off balance mo ba sa inyo? Meron,
Surplus.
diba? Now, I think how to make this and fix this. Inside first, spread your toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So, huwag yung gaganon, ha? Walang mag-aangat. Ito lang. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now, sundan natin ang basic movement. Talikod yung babae. Yung mga lalaki, harap. Okay? So, yung basic movement, pwede umikot kasi 8 counts ang basic movement. Pwede siyang umikot ng 1/2 to right or 1/2 to left. Depending on the floor na kailangan gamitan ng change of direction. So, let's say from here, mag-half move kami ni Ma'am Daniela. So, nakaharap ako ngayon dito. Let's say this is my pole. Mamaya, harap na ako sa center. And this is line of dance. Okay? So, in the basic movement, you do not bend your knees. You also do not close your feet on the last step. So, we start off with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So, kung kaya nyo i-balance yan, soft knees. Kamukha naman at naibigay ko sa inyo explanation sa standard dito, the soft knees will keep you. Okay? So, regardless of which direction, kailangan mag-change kayo ng direction with 8 counts. Ready? 5, 6, normal hold kayo lahat. Normal hold para madala yung partner. Remember, ibigay ko din yung idea sa inyo sa samba kanina regarding the frame, kung bakit pabilog siya dapat. Roundness from the hand to the back of the lady. Ito, para pag naglakad kayo, alam ng babae kung saan kayo punta. Now, turning to the left, your left, and we go. 1, sorry, right foot ng lalaki. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. Okay? So now, when we talk about the surplus, surplus is in place. So pagka-count tayo mamaya sa automations, we don't dance on the first 4, the first bar, or that is 2 bars na. Say you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So on the 5th, doon tayo. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, surplus, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Ay, ganyan ang surplus.
Walang umiikot sa surplus. Kung merong mag-ikot ang surplus, if I'm gonna turn to my left, I will do the surplus, allowing my partner to almost stay in place, and I will do the moving. So, ganito yung sura niya. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So, gano'n lang yung surplus. Hindi yung pag nag-surplus kayo, na mag-change kayo kasi may mababangga ka sa kabila na mag-1, 2, 3, 4. No way. So, as surplus is moving, since Ma'am Daniela is my pivot point, mas malaki yung movement ko, allowing her to take the place on the left side. Go. On right foot, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ganyan lang. In place yan. Against your basic movement that goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I'm gonna do a surplus. 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to do the right laging 1/4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So yan ang itsura niya. Ang basic movement, 1/2 turn on 8 steps. Ang surplus, 4 steps, 1/4, 1/4 lang. If you want to do more, then mag-umikot ka pa on every 4 for each step. But make sure to see the difference between the basic movement and the surplus. Okay? Intindihan niya na? Okay, now let's go to the chasse to the left at saka yung chasse to the right. I-ano natin, pagsabayin na natin. When you do down the chasse to left, meron tayong upheld with no turn. So ladies will upheld with the left foot, gentlemen will upheld on the right foot on a Fall flat. Tapos, we can have elevations, we can have low elevations. Let's try elevation this time. So that is your 1 with the upheld. You have 2, right foot to side and left foot to side for the gentleman. And then right foot closest to left foot with the gentleman, lady with right foot. And then other side dito, ball flat tayo on the last one. Ball flat. Okay, kasi magbababa siya. Pero gawin ninyo yung indication ng ball flat sa chassis na binigay ni Ma'am Daniela for standard for your walls na meron siyang finesse. Hindi yung babagsak na lang siya gano'n. Okay, let's try that. Chassis to left. You go upheld. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now, in other dances, ito pwede siyang maging dugtungan ng another figure, pero pag dumudugtong kayo, this time we'll do the chassé to left with the ending ng promenade position. Sa pagdating ng end for promenade position, ball flat pa din, pero nakaharap kayo sa promenade position na yung nakita nyo kanina. So it looks like this. So you go, upheld, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So yung kamay, mag-iiba. From here, you go. 1, upheld. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kita niyo yung kamay, mag-iba. O walang pipisil ha, walang grip, gentlemen. Pag walang grip, very soft yan. Tandaan niyo, ang paso doble can be deceiving in the looks, but in the movement as partner should be as soft, as feather, as light. Okay? Baka mamaya mo kung partner mo kasi higpit ng kamay. Okay, so again, one last one for the chassé to left. We have upheld. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now this time, let's do chassé to right. Chassé to right, napakadali. You can just also, to give it character, look to the right. And you go chassé. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yan. Makadali niya, di ba? Now, in some of the dances, you want to put character to it. Walk in counter promenade position. On. 1, 2, 3, 4. To give it character. Okay? So, siyempre, Pilipino tayo, ayaw natin simple. Gusto nyo, medyo bongga. Di ba? Pero, again, yung mga bongga yan, bigyan natin ng justisya. Do it properly and beautifully. Para mapanindigan nyo na yung ginagawa nyo, ito ang paso doble. Hindi lang na-feel nyo, pero yung voice na wala. Again, so again, let me put some voice into it. Into the, okay, go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now on the chassis. So, nagkakaroon siya ng character kasi sinusundan ko yung rhythm also ng timing na 2-4. Okay? It doesn't necessarily need to be too high. Yung tama, tandaan ninyo, hindi siya toe, all of the foot. Hindi siya toe, all of the foot.
Soft knees, okay.
Okay, soft knees. Huwag yung gigil na gigil kasi awa yung sunod yan pag gigil. Okay, so yes. Okay, yung sa last, ending promenade position for the chassé to left, you have and upheld. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so doon tayo sa sunod, yung close promenade. The word itself, naka-open tayo sa promenade position, isasara natin yon. Okay, so follow tayo ng step, naka-promenade position tayo. Iwalay ko muna. So gentlemen, ano ang kailangan gawin? Poise. Push the pelvic forward. Okay. Now, first step, right foot across the body. Lady, left foot across the body on a heel flat. March. Okay. Now, pagdating niyo dito, yung promenade position ng kamay, nagpo-close kayo ng heel to face partner. So, 1/4 turn to your right gentleman and 1/4 turn to your left ladies. And hold your position to close. And that is a ball flat na tayo. And then, side. And then close. Yes. Okay, close promenade. Again, you go from promenade position. Count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Again, sige. Mamaya, lalagyan natin ng character. Memorize muna yung step. So, let's start from chasse to left. Appel, appel, 1, 2, and promenade. And close promenade. Give flat, and go flat, flat. Okay? Tandaan nyo ha? Yes. Hindi tayo pwede mag-whole foot dito. Hindi rin kung pwede heel flat yung isa. Go flat yan, and go flat. Okay? Yung mga march, yan ang palagi naka-heel first. Okay. Ready na tayo? Sundan na kaya natin yan para tuloy-tuloy tayo, no? Okay, let's do surpass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes? Now, pag sa mga ibang, competition, yung mga iba, please, nilize nila yung close promenade na yan into this look. You have to go from appel, 1, 2 for your chasse to left. Ilang iba ginagawa, gumagano dito, tapos ginaganyan. Okay? At yung mga additional character, pero ingatan nyo, yung kamay ng babae is fragile. So, pagkatapos yung mag-open, step 2, ibaba nyo lang magano with character. Huwag nyo iwanan yung part nyo. That's additional lang. Pero mamaya pag tuloy-tuloy na yan, syempre hindi na mangyayari yan kasi iisip mo susunod na step. Okay, so now, proceed tayo dun sa pinakamas magandang step, yung promenade. Basic movement na gawa na natin, chasse to right na gawa. Now, the promenade. The promenade is a moving figure where the lady starts facing center and ends up facing wall. Gentleman starts facing the wall, ends up facing center. Okay, so you will start off with an appel turning to promenade. So appel, 1. So ito, meron ka mararamdaman na ikot to the right and appel. Step mo first, forward march. Now, forward and across, another march. Now, so heel flat yan. Now, gentlemen, your next step is to turn your back against line of dance, wherein you're gonna have a ball flat as the lady is gonna dance across in front of you on a march. Yan, yung itsura niya. Naka-counter promenade na kayo kanina from promenade. Now, as you get on to the next one, gentlemen, you're gonna turn 180 to your right with a step backwards on ball flat, lady march. Yes, flat. Okay, pagdating yung march, flat yan. Okay? So now, gentlemen, another backward step with your left. Again, turning 1-8 para makarating ka na dito. And lady, another march, outside partner. Yes. Okay, so now, next step. Lady now will turn 1-8 to her right para makaharap sa wall. Ako, mag-1-8 again para makaharap sa center. And creating this inner edge of toe of right foot sa gentleman, lady, left foot. Ito. Sige, bend kasi galing kayo sa naka-flex ka. Ngayon, naka-promenade position na ulit kayo. Now, as you go, transfer the weight onto the right foot and then close. Okay, this is the promenade. Okay, isa pa. One more time. Medyo mahirap ba? Patandaan nyo, panoorin nyo muna, ito yung itsura nyo.
1, 2, forward cross, back, 1 knee back, 1 knee, and finish slide,